Hello, this is Dewey Melly from Helena, Montana. It's on holidayvillagement.com. And today is Monday, August 12th, 2019. And let me take a look at to show you this video. Learn how to unboxing the Ideal Game Classics Win Big Bingo Night. Bingo set with ball dispenser, all kinds of language, and as you need it, and so this one is just to see it. Copyright 2014. It's pretty nice. And I always say this because I just have to see it. And I'm just have to do it for now. We'll see you about. It's sitting there. I got you another video. Okay, we're ready. Let me get this. Have to get this dust thing out of here. Here I got the box title, and so we got this. I have to get this Ideal logo in the '60s. Yeah. So let's unbox it. Let's go for this. Oh, I cannot tell you. I was trying to. Oh man, this is hard. Open up with one hand. Ay. Oh wait. Oh no, this is hard. Open up with one hand. Ay. Oh. Hopefully not. Oh, there you are. Okay, I'll just open like this. Got it. This. Here's your bingo cards from Ideal. I'm sorry about this piece. Doesn't have to do it for you. These are my cards. I'll just have to play a game later. Hey guys, it has supposed to it. You don't have to see it. There you guys, I got two things. We're trying to shut the printer off. That's it closed. So we got this gaming numbers. We got the gaming rep here. So let's do it. Okay. There we go. Ta-da! Here's a hamster on it. And the chips. That's really cool, huh? It's the rainbow set. Oh. There we got this letter manual. Oh, it's okay. I'll just put it in like this. Just like a hamster cage. I'll just put it back in. Well, here's the manual section for this Alex brands and lots of different languages. Yeah, so that's it for the box. Well, I mean, that's it for now. You got always this because we just to see that way. It smells like something new, and they're like in office stores. It's probably not supposed to do it. How it takes it. The most important is the most important. Huh. Okay, guys. This is ready to play a game. You got all kinds of balls at once. So we got this one, the chips, and your cards, and like this. That's pretty cool, huh? So that is pretty much it for this nighttime bingo unboxing from Ideal Toys. But this works and has not supposed to do it on the indies for this feature program. So I'm making another video today. I'll be sure to help you again soon to get this making and upload videos, and then hope you are supposed to it. I'm just out to on the blog at HaverHolidayVillage.smallcity.blogspot.com. So this is Dewey Melly signing off on August 12, 2019. Goodbye, stupid.